If you feel it's hard to develop a good sound on the soprano saxophone, you're not alone with that. It's probably the most challenging saxophone to sound great on. That's why I recently made a video showing 3 top exercises for a great soprano sound. And with this video, I want to build on that. I want to show you something a little unusual. An exercise that can feel weird at first, but can be a real game changer for your sound. But before we get started with this exercise, let's stop for a moment and ask ourselves which parts of our body actually play a role in producing sound on the saxophone. Because obviously it would help to know that, right? First, of course, comes the embouchure, so your upper and lower lips, your jaw, and the muscles around your mouth. Then comes the tongue. Its position can really have an effect on your sound. And as a third factor, we have our breathing system, so our lungs, our diaphragm, and how we manage air pressure. But did we really cover everything? Actually, there's one more thing that is often overlooked: the larynx. We talk a lot about breathing and the embouchure, but we hardly ever mention the larynx, even though it has such a huge effect on our sound. And in everyday life, of course, we don't pay much attention to our larynx. But if you're a saxophone player, becoming aware of your larynx is really crucial. And the exercise that I'm about to show you will help you with exactly that. It's actually very simple. Just start to hum a note. Then go higher and lower with the pitch a few times until you find the note that is most comfortable and natural for you. You might notice that this note is a little louder and resonates more in your body. This is your natural, relaxed larynx position. Now pick up your soprano sax and play, for example, a low G, and maintain this natural, relaxed larynx position. You will probably notice that your sound becomes fuller and more resonant. As a bonus, you can try this. You can hum a really high note. This puts a lot of pressure on your larynx. And then play the same G on your soprano saxophone, imagining that you're humming this high note. Then compare this note with the note you played before with the relaxed larynx position. You should hear quite a difference. The influence the larynx has on our sound becomes especially noticeable in the higher register. You've probably experienced yourself how the highest notes, especially on the soprano saxophone, can sound a little bit squeezed and tight. That's often caused, at least in part, by larynx tension. Let me compare a high note with a tense larynx and the same note played with a relaxed larynx. Quite a difference, right? This exercise doesn't only work for soprano saxophone, you can also do it on alto, tenor or baritone. But on soprano, because it's so high, we tend to tense up more easily, and it's really helpful to do this exercise. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you have any topics that you would like me to cover related to soprano saxophone, let me know down in the comments. And if you want to support me, don't forget to like the video and of course subscribe to not miss out on future videos like this. See you next time.